Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Engineering Educators, Engineering in an Engineered Way. Before start, I'd like to request you all like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today I will discuss about a recruitment of Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, which is a Maharatna public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Power, Government of India. And this post is all about a temporary basis, contractual basis post. As you can see here, it is, and the time period is about 24 month and till the completion of the project. That means the period can be extended. So let's see about the post. First is field engineer for electrical, second is field engineer for civil, third is field supervisor for electrical, and fourth is field supervisor for civil. First two posts for bachelor engineering aspirants, and last two posts are for diploma engineering aspirants. Here you can see total number of vacancy. For first one is 30, second one is 8, third one is 47, and fourth one is 12. So let's see in details. Here you can see the upper age limit for each and every post is 29, and essential qualification required for electrical field engineer. Here you can see it's BTech, BE or BSc in engineering in electrical discipline with 55% marks for general, OBC and EWS, and pass marks for SC, ST and PWD candidate. And discipline, here you can see all the discipline: electrical power, electrical and electronics, power system, power engineering and electrical are required. Next is field experience. So field experience required is 1 year post qualification experience is required in those related fields. So next post is field engineer for civil. Here also 29 is the upper age limit. Essential qualification, here also it is BTech, BE or BSc in engineering for civil discipline. Here 55% marks for general, OBC, EWS and ST as well. For SC only here pass marks is required. And field experience, you can see here also 1 year post qualification experience is required in those related fields. So next post is field supervisor in electrical. Here also the upper age limit is 29 and qualification required is diploma is required, and 55% marks is required for general, OBC and EWS, and pass marks for SC, ST and PWD candidates. Here also you can see here higher qualification, technical qualification like BTech, BE, MTech, ME, etc. with or without diploma is not allowed. You can see clearly here. So let's see the next discipline required is electrical power, electrical and electronics, power system engineering, power engineering, electrical. Those are the discipline. And field experience, here also it's 1 year post qualification experience is required to that particular related fields, you can see. And next and final post is field supervisor in civil. Here upper age limit is 29 and diploma in civil engineering is required with 55% marks for general, OBC, EWS and ST as well. And here pass marks for only SC category is required. Here also you can see higher technical qualification like BTech, BE, MTech, ME, etc. with or without diploma is not allowed. Okay. Field experience, here also it is 1 year post qualification experience is required at those related fields. So let's see the selection procedure. So here you can see selection will involve interview only of eligible and shortlisted candidates. However, the management reserved the right to raise the minimum eligibility standard criteria or to conduct a screening test. The authority may conduct screening tests, but it's not fixed. but interview is fixed. There must be a interview conducted by the authority, and on the basis of interview only you will select. And to restrict, if the number of candidate is higher, then they will conduct a screening test, and which will be 75 marks, and part 1 50 question will be 50 question from discipline and 25 question from aptitude. So, and the merit will be drawn purely, here you can see the merit will be drawn purely on the basis of personal performance in the interview. Now let's see about the fees for first and second post, that is field engineer, civil and electrical post. Application fee is 400, and for third and fourth post, that is field supervisor, electrical or civil, application fee is 300. But SC, ST, PWD or ex-serviceman, for those candidates no fee will be required. Let's see the next how to apply. You can apply through that particular website. You can see here www.powergrid.in. So you have to go to the career section, then job opportunities, then openings, then regional openings, then northern, then you have to go to the northern region 1, daily requirements. Then you can follow that path and you can apply according to the format. And finally, let's see the important dates. Opening dates from 26th April 2021, and closing date is 9th May 2021. Okay, and cutoff dates for the purpose of application of age limit and post qualification experience, that is 9/5/2021. Okay, and date of interview or written test will be notified separately on the website. So that is all about that particular post. If you like our video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thank you. Have a good day.